The secret ingredient to any great recipe is love. For Vadiseva Lido, she found her passion to bake at an early age, and her interest continued growing with time. Lido says her baking keeps getting better because of the love from her family and vice versa. Lina Reese shares the success story of a mother of two who has made a name for herself in the catering business simply by word of mouth.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
After a sudden dismissal from work in 2012, Vadiseva Lindo quickly stood on her own 2 feet with support from family and friends.
So my cousin just called me and he said, Tavale, do you know how to make sandwiches? I said, duh, if I can make cakes, if I can make pies, I can make sandwiches. He said, okay, I'll give you some money, you just do afternoon tea, it's just for 10 people.
From feeding a few at the signing of a memorandum of understanding, word quickly spread of vast delights.
He had to keep telling me, look, it's not how it works, this is how you should do it, and then I said, okay, I think I'll learn, I know I'll learn along the way, yeah? And that's how I started, and that's how my business grew. I did not need to advertise. People just that attended those meetings, they wanted my contacts, and then when they had their workshops or some MOU signing that they needed to provide refreshments, they would call me up, and that's how it's been until now.
Through trial and error, the 48-year-old soon learnt the ropes of catering and made it out to be a family affair.
I just operate from home. So when it's small numbers, like up to 100 people, it's basically just us at home, just me, my mom, my sister-in-law, and my brother that's passed away, and now that he's gone, I've had to make adjustments in hiring, actually paying for other people to come on board.
Lindo says in the 5 years of catering, the challenges have always been overcome thanks to the support she receives from her loved ones.
My mother's my biggest critic, and she's the one that thinks that she's in charge, It might be my name on the business, but my mom is the one, because she's a perfectionist. The only thing that keeps us going is our trust in God and our love for each other, and most importantly, I think the support that I get from my husband to be there. He's been there all the way.
Lindo continues to operate her growing business from home and gets her family to join in on the hustle and bustle. She also believes that any business can flourish and weather challenges with the right support system. Lina Reese, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.